Yeah, we are going live. Okay, we should be live. Can you hear me? Stefan, Simon,
Hello.
Absolutely. We're
are
here.
you there, my
Yeah, we
friend?
hear you.
Yeah, it's I hear some echo. I don't know what is this. We have Shruti. Hey
I don't know.
Shruti. Hey there.
Hi.
Hey there. Yeah.
Hello.
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 Oh, that's great. All my friends here. Hello. Thank you, Shruti, for joining. Yeah.
Thank you.
So how many time do you have? 10 minutes, something like that.
Yeah, 10 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. So let's jump straight into that because I want to talk with Shruti, and then we stay. If you can, Simon and Stefan be here. So why this live? I had this idea to just today after my coffee. So because I wanted to do a live stream and I also want to do collaborations, but I need to maybe reach one people, send messages, then we lost track. And so by doing this, maybe I can watch this video after. And then, Shruti, can you introduce yourself for people that they don't know you? And then we can talk about doing something together. Thank you.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. So I'm Shruti Balasa from India. I'm a full stack web developer, and for a decade, I have I have experience in this field. So very recently, I've started my own YouTube channel, which is Thyrus, and that's going great. And lovely to be here.
Yeah, if you want, you can share your channel in comments if you can. Otherwise, I'll find that and I'll put
No,
that.
no, no,
Yeah. Meanwhile, if some of you, Simon, if you want to introduce yourself, and then we
Absolutely.
can through the yeah.
Absolutely. For those that may not know me, my name is Simon. I'm a full stack developer. I'm currently doing some indie hacking on the side, trying to get a new SaaS product up and running. And very active on Twitter and on LinkedIn and on Instagram and YouTube as well.
Yeah, we are super active. Best of luck with editing. Yeah, so Stefan, if you can wait, please. I would like to talk with Shruti, and then we can talk freely. Okay, so that's okay for
Sure.
you?
Sure.
Okay, thank you, Stefan. Thank you. So Shruti, yeah, finally, at least now we can talk about this. And I've sent you a message that maybe we have an idea of on what we could collaborate, because I've decided
Yes.
to divide my week once per day, and I can see that it's working for me. So when I wake up, I take the coffee, I check my calendar, and I say, okay, on Thursday, I'll work on Tailwind. So I think that this is what you had in your mind. Yeah, I think.
Yes, because that's the series I'm currently doing. Slowly going to switch, but yeah, that's the one currently.
Yeah, and I also checked some of your videos, so I need to go there. Also next Thursday. And for example, at the first, I've done some basic stuff with that. So I don't know if you have something in your mind, because I've seen that, for example, you do also something live also with Tailwind, or maybe you have created just some videos. I can't remember
Yeah,
now.
I
but,
have yes, two live streams where one I have created a landing page using Tailwind and another a
Great.
portfolio website. Yeah, and a
Great.
couple more videos from Front End Mentor Challenge.
Great. So in this case, I'm totally behind you. But I don't know if you have something in your mind. Otherwise, I can think about that. I don't know, doing something live, or maybe just, I don't know, some of those video together, or I can come. I don't
Yeah,
know, as a guest.
maybe we could do something live. Yeah.
Yeah, this could be an idea. Maybe
Yeah.
if you
So
want.
I'll get to know somebody who's very big at the beginning stage. I'll know what are the challenges, right?
Yeah.
So that would be great. So I might miss some points while I'm doing live stream, and people might feel a little too shy to ask some questions, but you could go ahead and ask them. Yeah.
I think that I could be the perfect candidate, because I'm not that shy anymore. I've done a lot of videos. I'm a beginner, so that's perfect. Maybe I could just being in your live stream, just, I don't know, watch you, or maybe could do, maybe in the future, maybe you could also try to do maybe the opposite. I don't know, but I don't know. We should just maybe just set up the things to be into two people in the same live. but this could be an
Yeah.
idea. So I'll take note of this because would be good. So thank you, Shruti. I don't know. I would like to not wait that much because on every Tuesday I check this. So maybe we can check maybe next week. We can send some messages.
Sure.
We can see. I'm a total beginner, so you
That
can.
would be great, actually. That would really be great.
Yeah. Thank you, Shruti. I don't know if you have some people here. I don't know if you have some people asking something. You have Eliaho. Yeah. So Shruti, tell me whenever you wanna go. But you can stay wherever you want. Now I'll let
I'm here for
Stefan.
another 5 minutes. Yeah.
Okay. So Stefan,
Thank you.
Hey,
Stefan, can you? Were you paying attention or not?
yeah, sure. I'm just waiting for my moment.
Yeah, joking. Yeah, so please introduce yourself for the people.
Sure. So I'm Stefan. I'm from Austria. We have lots of snow right now. But yeah, I'm also a full stack developer. I just founded my own company back in January. 17 days ago. And yeah, I'm happy to be here. And we have some stuff we want to do together this year, Francesco.
Yeah, and in this case, it will be easy because we are already collaborating. We have already done 2 live streams together. So if you're not tired already of me, we can still do something together. Yeah. So, and I was talking about with Simon before starting this, so we can talk about this. Let me check if you have something. Yeah, you have Tommy. Yeah, I had a call with Tommy. Yeah, today. Just 1 hour ago. So you will check this awesome guy, young guy. So Stefan, what can you do together? Because we have already started. Do you want to talk? Okay. Do you basically me and Stefan are doing live streams on Tuesday?
Yes.
With Node. So we are creating basically a quite complicated application, I think, because we're using Node. Let me
Docker, Grafana,
a lot of stuff. So I think that we will use the Twitter API client. Hi Prem, hi there.
From Simon, of course, we're gonna use his Twitter API client.
So Simon, can you explain please what the Twitter API client is? Because I've seen the project on GitHub. Let me check. Let me send the link while you explain if you want.
For sure. Well, it's a Node client that interacts with the Twitter API. Currently out there's only one that actually does this to the full extent, but it's old, it's outdated, and I think last time a commit was made was more than 3 years ago. So it's following these very old school pattern with callbacks and it's really outdated. So I built one that's using promises and it's fully typed. So for everything that you can imagine getting back from Twitter, there will be types for it, which makes it just that awesome developer experience to use. And also it features an inbuilt in-memory cache. So Twitter has a quite aggressive rate limit for the free use of their API. And the Twitter API client basically does a bit of preliminary steps to make sure that you're not gonna pump the API unnecessarily. So it has a lot of inbuilt features, and it's really just a pleasure to use. And I'm happy to hear that you guys are using it for your project. It seems very cool what you're building.
Yeah, I sent you the link in the private chat, Simon. If that is correct, I can share. I don't know if there's that one. Feed Hive.
I think it's the one.
Yeah, it's the correct link. Yeah,
is that the right one? Yeah. So since you are here, Simon, do you want to talk a little bit about this project? Because this Feed Hive project. So this is the link that you can check with the Twitter API client. And what is Feed Hive? Because maybe a lot of people they know what is, but you are the best person to ask this to make this question.
For sure. Well, in very short, Feed Hive is a SaaS product that I'm currently building. It's a tool for content creators. It's a state-of-the-art scheduling and management tool for tweets. And very soon, LinkedIn and Instagram will follow up as well. I actually started building this already this summer in lack of better opportunities to schedule. And I started building the backend, and that's where I started building the Twitter API client, which I later open sourced. And for a long time, it was just a tool that I was using. I actually had a CLI tool that I could use to schedule tweets. I wrote my tweets in YAML files. It was quite homemade, so to speak. And in late November, I actually started developing on FeedHive, the actual product, and got a few early adopters on board, and there seemed to be quite a lot of excitement about it. So I decided to just go all in and build an actual tool that I'm going to be publishing for everyone in the beginning, mid-February. So yeah, in short.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward so much. Also and also used that and it's great. You will see that this could be really world famous, in my opinion. Let's see. I really wish you this, because can really be
Thanks a lot, man.
the right tools, the tools, or not one tool. Yeah. Thank you, Simon. Yeah. So we have a guy here in the bottom left, which is Prem, my friend. Hi, Prem.
Hi, Prem.
Hi. You are muted.
Hi guys, I'm not sure how's my sound coming. Is it okay?
Yeah, now yes.
It works.
Yeah, now
Right,
yes.
thank you.
Now I can hear you. Yeah, Prem. So please introduce yourself. So we can talk about collaboration later. Yeah.
So, hi everyone. My name is Prem. I'm from Australia. I'm full stack developer. I've been working for like almost 10 years as a full stack developer, and currently I have found my own company and also YouTube. So I'm a little bit active in YouTube and trying to be quite active in Twitter as well. So you can find me there if you have any question regarding to that. And I have another exciting news that I'm going to start a bootcamp soon from next month.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's great.
Ooh, awesome.
That's great.
Awesome. Great
That's
news.
great. That's great, Prem. I've seen that somewhere, but good luck with that. So
Thank you.
Yeah, we have. Yeah, I was talking with Simon before. The problem is that we have just 24 hours in a day.
Exactly
We
true.
can solve this problem. Yes, some people nodding there.
It's like me squeezing my sleeping time to make like extra hours. That's all.
I always take time from
We
sleeping.
all do
every
that, I
time.
know, but
Yeah.
I'm good stealer, I can steal my own time and then just do it.
Yeah. So Prem, I would like to talk a little bit with you, because I've seen that you have already worked on a little project, because maybe some of you can remember that I'm still talking about being an introvert tuber. So the pool word, but we have done something else. So now I have a domain, which is introverttuber.com. And I have deployed a site there.
That's awesome.
Yeah. And the site has been deployed entirely by Prem, which made some. Which technologies have you used?
I just use like a quick Next.js and then deploy to Vercel.
Yeah. We have done this together. You have helped me.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
So basically, we are planning. I don't know. I'm planning something with Francesco that there is like a lot of us. We have problem with like, especially being like an introvert tuber. That word I love to pronounce now, because now I can pronounce properly. Yeah. Okay, and we want to help as many people as possible who wants to like basically get into the YouTube for whatever reason they want to be. So if we can help, I'll be more than happy to help. And Francesco is the founder of that term or key or domain. So if you have any issue, talk to Francesco. If you have good comment, please give it to me.
Okay. Okay. Bye, Prem. I think you need to go now.
I'm just kidding, guys.
This is why basically why I do this kind of stream. So I have the power to kick people and kick them.
Yeah,
So I
exactly.
really love this. I still remember on Christmas, because maybe you don't know this, but on StreamYard, when you reach 10 people, if I in my mind, I thought that if one person they want to try to join the live stream, they go in the bench and then you can put them. Instead, you just have a message like, there are too many people, and I got like that message for 1 hour straight. People that really wanted to join. And you were all on this live stream. All three.
Yeah,
of
I
you.
was kicked out too, so I remember that.
Yeah, exactly. I remember that I kicked you. So yes, you have Manish. Manish has done an article today. His very first article, and he's very young. I'd like really to support young people.
Congrats.
They're really the future.
Congrats, Manish. He's been quite active in Twitter. I can see him too.
Yeah. Pretty active. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, we have this. Yes. So, Stefan, I'd like to talk, if you want, 5 minutes about next Tuesday, what we could do, because we are starting doing this node. We have not used the Twitter API client yet.
Not yet.
Maybe, I've done an article. Maybe I've seen that.
I've seen it.
So we can use this. We could recreate. I've not done this in our project. Maybe we can start from there, from where we are. So basically, I think we will focus on the Docker part. Maybe next Tuesday we can create the services. Yeah, we could also maybe give it a try to Grafana.
So we could set up that the communication between those services, so that we start the Postgres and Grafana and everything, and then we can show how to connect them to each other.
Let's see. At least the communication with the DB and the Node application. This is what I'd like to do. This will be already amazing. And the good thing is that after we have everything available, open source, everything. Also the Docker images, they are free. So we are really doing this. Really on live. Yeah.
Who of you got the idea to use Grafana for a Twitter dashboard like that? I mean, it's genius. I really like it, but it's quite like controversial, I think, or like unorthodox, so to speak.
I don't know. Who got that idea? Yeah, maybe it's because I've seen Grafana in production for years, so I always think about Grafana every day. Yeah, I've never created in particular something with that, but I've seen people using that, so I really wanted to try this. We will see. And and also awesome. We would like to create. We have this. The name of the project is Social Data Dashboard. So this could also be not just Twitter but also Instagram. So let's keep in touch, Simon. If you also want to use FeedHive for other, for example, I don't know if you want to integrate, I don't know, Instagram API. YouTube API.
Well, there is definitely plans of integrating both LinkedIn and Instagram in FeedHive, which also means that I'm going to be creating 2 more clients, one for LinkedIn and one for Instagram in the same manner. And I'm very much sure I'm going to be open sourcing those 2 as well, for sure.
That's good.
Then can we extend the Grafana dashboard?
It's great in my opinion. Awesome. Because in my opinion, it's great also as developers to check the API of the social that we use daily, because we want to know how things works. Sure. So this can be really good. This will be an exciting year, I think. I see it very good here. And once we, of course, once we create this sort of API, we can also connect some clients, some front end. For example, our project is a little bit strange, because usually in a project you have a front end, back end, DB, something else. Instead, in our case with Stefan, we are not, for example, using any front end. For example, this is something that I'd like to do with you, Prem. If we want to do something together on front end.
Yeah, sure. Actually, it's quite irony with Simon. The project that you have done, I started like 3 years ago, kind of small SaaS, and that was like less like an analytic than more like posting content. So the idea was like, let's say, who is the good influencer? Let's say we scrape we get the data of the followers of X amount of people, and we get the follower of the followers, and we get the follower of the followers, and in total we do the calculation. So actually, who has the most in total of followers? We were working on that sort of stuff, and I was actually producing live report on screen, and it was just ended up on localhost only, so it never went anywhere. So the repo is still there somewhere. I think I can revive it and then maybe do something about it.
Ended up on localhost, like the classical scale of the side projects. I love that.
Yeah.
It's never went anywhere.
It's probably the most used host in the world. So
I think so.
Of course it is.
Very trustworthy. You can trust 100%.
Yeah. For example, we have done a live stream with Stefan. We had to use maybe the 3000 port, and I had a React project.
Yeah, and he used
that.
Yeah,
I remember that.
Yeah. Maybe Simon, one day, if I get time and make it like a work, maybe I can show you and see what you think about it. And
sure,
I might make it available open source later on, but now it's not in that stage.
All right, fair enough. I would love to see it for sure. Just reach out, man, for sure.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, and of course we are on my channel, but there's nothing wrong with you collaborate with each other. Of course, you can create content.
No, you first, Francesco, definitely. Yeah.
This is Francesco collaboration. So you have this trademark. You can do this.
I want to be kicked out today, so I have to give Francesco first.
No reason it can't be a simulaboration as well.
So Prem, you have to create two new websites now. Collaborations.com and Francesco's collaborations.com.
Yeah, true. That's a good idea.
Yeah,
and then let's run another challenge on Twitter, like the 2K YouTube challenge.
Yeah. That was very close though.
Kind of. Yeah, I'm starting to think that I can do this. Really. So today I'll publish my 84th video. So when I have someone else, so let's see. I also had. I can see this. I also had a couple of blackouts this month. So this has been kind of hard, but let's see. I've seen a lot of people, but apart the fact I really liked it because I can see that after doing these interviews, these calls, the relationship with people really changed. So as you've seen, is what we are also doing now. But interacting this way is a total different way. I like Twitter, but sometimes testing all the day, it's a little bit boring. Sometimes it's a bit hard, maybe. To be honest.
And it's different to see each other and talk instead of just the Twitter chat client. I mean, Simon, the Twitter chat client is not that good. You could create one better solution for that. Twitter chats are I don't know how to handle them, to be honest.
Are you planning to replace Twitter anytime soon in the future or what?
Simon, let's do our next level. Let's just create a new social media. Maybe it's better. From scratch.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, I've seen some people asking Elon Musk to create a new social media. That will be maybe an idea. I don't know.
So, guys, what are we working on? Anybody have any idea what project we are going to collaborate soon? Like Simon or Stefan? Stefan, you're already collaborating with Francesco. I know a live session. Are you working on any new project?
With Francesco now or in general?
Yeah.
Are you asking to whom? To Simon?
No, Simon and Stefan both.
Yeah, I mean Simon and we haven't collaborated yet, but he lives 1 hour away. So.
I mean Simon and Francesco.
Stefan, you need to pay attention.
Yeah, it's a little bit. Sorry, it's a spaghetti coding happening. So okay, Simon. So are you planning any new project with Francesco?
Yeah, but to answer the question, actually, I'm hoping that when you guys are going to be building the Grafana dashboard, that probably you're going to hit something that's missing from the Twitter API client or something that can be improved. Please just open a PR, let it go back to the open source project, and then we will be collaborating that way. And there's already 6 contributors from Twitter, and it's really an open project, and I would love contributions of any kind.
Yeah, for example,
that's a great idea.
Yeah.
I will have a look that too. Actually, sorry guys, I haven't looked into that your project much. So yeah, I'll look into that too. Yeah, I'd love to be in the part, in the team.
Yeah, let's see.
Sure, man.
For example, I think that once we get maybe used a little bit with Grafana, it can also maybe used, I don't know, with Hive, with something else. We can make some tries. I need to work on that a little bit. I need to study a little bit. So I also doing this kind of live stream with Stefan to force me a little bit to check that. But once we are there, this can be really an amazing tool. Because I was also thinking about something that is good to show on live streams, because maybe after a while, if you just check, I don't know, just Dockerfile and Docker Compose, okay, that's great. But after, I don't know, maybe 2 months, maybe it's a bit boring. So I want to show something also that maybe could be great. This is also why I'm also working on Unity on Fridays, because it's different. When you have some good application, game engine, something, even some spheres that are rotating, it's way super better for live streams, in my opinion.
Yeah.
So I would also super like to do more live, like YouTube. In that way, I would like to collaborate with all of you. And Francesco, like really, you have been interviewing 100 people now. I'm going to make an episode on my channel. It's just going to be one episode where I'm interviewing Francesco. Someone needs to do that.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good idea.
Do it, Simon.
Okay.
Do it.
I have one of my rules is that if I've invited you and you have said yes to me, I can't say no to you. So if you invite me, I need to say yes. Simon. So just send me an invitation. I'll come on your channel. You have say also propose something else, but I'm working on this. But if you make something on your channel, but you just need to be aware, because once you get started interviewing people, it's hard to stop. So you need to think about that twice, please. Because
I'm going to do that one with you. That's like a promise from me right now. Mine is going to be a 1-day challenge, one interview.
That's 1 day challenge.
That's amazing. Yeah, and also Stefan and Simon has been, I think, like the second or third or fourth one. So it wasn't really an interview. So sorry for that, because I was bad. I'm still bad, of course. Prem can confirm this.
No.
But
you're a genius.
Look, I'm learning almost everything from you, from like Dex to now this stream. So I'm not gonna put any bad word out, even though there is one.
Of course,
okay,
of course. Otherwise, I kick you. Of course. So this you have to make compliments.
but Francesco, you're too humble, man. The interview,
exactly.
The style, the questions, the entire conversation. You do such a great job, and people love watching your content. So don't be so.
I can stop it. Yeah, I can. No, I'm not stop this. Of course, I can honestly say that I still don't like that so much. But maybe from outside, the people really like this. So I don't know why. Maybe because I'm inside this. So maybe every time I see, maybe I can see something like that. I've not let him talk. So when I check them again, I always see the bad things in my own videos. Always.
But that's the same. That's normal. You always criticize your own stuff. I mean, that's what I do with my content. I think even Simon with his perfect video setup has some things he criticizes when he sees himself.
For sure.
Yeah. Are you seeing? Yeah.
Actually gonna take care of the background, like this kind of like eggshell formed acoustic foam. It's annoying the fuck out of me. So I actually already bought better material, so it doesn't do that kind of dotted kind of like. So yes, something's annoying me. Something's always annoying me. You're totally right, Stefan.
Simon, did you all glue on the wall, or what did you do?
I used, it's a very, very good question. Actually, I didn't want to ruin the wall, so I didn't glue it. I first double-sided tape, but the thing is that these acoustic foam, they keep falling off. So I used both. So I kept the tape on the wall, because you can easily take that off again if you want to. And then I put glue on the foam on the tape.
Wow. Okay. Very smart, man. I like that way. So glue and the sticker and then the wall. Yeah.
Okay.
So
then it's a reversible, and like the foam takes a little. When you take it off, it will take a little from where the glue have been.
Doesn't matter that.
Like better the foam than the walls.
Yeah.
Yeah. maybe I need to try that because I'm still thinking about the background here. Yeah, here. But I'm still thinking about that. I'm checking now. I have some random lights, but it's because I really have a problem. I don't have a proper background. I don't have a bookshelf either. I have some lights somewhere, but yeah, it's a process.
Yeah, but in the Christmas edition, you had the Christmas lights behind you. That was great.
Yeah, Christmas.
And
yeah.
and the Christmas hat.
Yeah, I like that hat, man.
Living room.
Yeah, I can't remember that. To be honest. Yeah.
we can post the link into the chat. Then you remember.
Yeah, sure.
It's one of my best video. Let's see if I can find that. So thank you, really. I don't know. Yeah, this can all be. I don't know if you. Okay, with Stefan it's easy because we already have something. I'd like to maybe I don't know, Simon. I think you are pretty busy for now, so I think we can check it again after the Feed Hive launch. So I say let's see 1 month if that is okay for you.
Absolutely.
But maybe we will not have maybe a direct collaboration, and maybe we can use our tools maybe under the scenes. Maybe we can do some video together. And if you and I will wait for you to invite me on your channel. So this is up to you. When you invite me, I'll come there. So that's perfect for me.
If he doesn't, then tell me his address.
We are.
I'm closer, Prem.
Okay, Stefan, we'll jam up together.
I bring some snow with me, so he can't leave the room.
Oh, great. Okay, cool.
I meters and meters of snow right now. No one's gonna get near me.
It's crazy. I don't want to go outside. When I look outside,
Okay, so for people that are that have lost this, so I'll post here. This should be the Christmas one. Let's see. So and with Prem, I don't know. I think we need a couple of weeks still. So of course I'll start doing collaborative with someone else after this challenge. So still a couple of weeks. And
so
how many videos do you have left now?
16.
16.
Oh, okay.
Couple of weeks.
So the Francesco, I was thinking currently I was working on the Money Stack from like a beginning to deployment. That project is like pretty huge project. So I was thinking, I'm about to finish that project for whole Money Stack. So I was thinking maybe one day we can have a collaboration session and where we basically we go from like a Docker. Anybody who wants to jump into the Docker world,
Perfect.
Which is everything we give the basic information and then how to use them, and then we can actually show them how we can Dockerize whole Money Stack, and just
Perfect.
for someone to get started with.
This. Yeah, I really like this. This could be really a great idea. I'm also now I'm really connecting with people that really loves Docker. We have here this I had a call with him, for example, yesterday, Sid and also other people. I've interviewed the super expert Docker people. So if you say me Docker, I say yes already. So that's great. I don't know if we call this live or a video. We can think about that, but we can we can keep in touch for this.
I'll contact. We'll sort out something next week, and we'll go from there.
Yeah, we can also start for something simple. I don't know.
Yes, exactly. Very basic. Mm-hmm. To just for the beginner so that they get comfortable using Docker at some point.
Maybe you just send me all the links of the projects before, so I can take a look of what we will need. But I think this is totally doable. So this will be really great. In my opinion. So this is what we can do. That's great.
Cool.
Friend. Thank you. So I think that do you have something else to say? Anybody? Stefan, what can you do? Do you want to maybe we can check a little bit earlier or just jump in on Tuesday?
No, let's check in a little bit earlier.
I still need to set up Streamlabs, for example, so I need some help there.
Sure.
Send me a
message.
I'll be there in the commentary track while you work.
Here you go.
Oh, nice.
Awesome.
I'll join you too in comment.
For example, I'm planning to do some live streams with him, maybe on my channel about Docker. So I'd like, to be connected with all of them. That's great. Sid. So Stefan, let's keep in touch because we need to do this kind of things together. yeah. There's a lot of job work behind, but yeah, we will go there. We don't have, I don't know, a deadline of time, but yeah,
No.
this is kind of huge project that we have. Trust me, this will be kind of hard. I'm sure.
Yeah, that will be so. There's still a lot of work to do.
Yes. The
I mean,
other
we
time
just started last week.
we have just opened VS Code, I think, something like that.
Yeah.
But no, we have
and explained the Docker image and started it. A Hello World route. So yeah, we're really at level 0, level 1.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So guys, this has been really great.
It was awesome. Thanks.
Thank you, really, for coming, everyone. So really, best of luck with anything in this year. I don't know if this will be better than 2020, but it's not that hard to be better, in my opinion. So thank you so much. I don't know if you have a question. I don't think so. So
Take care, man.
This has been really great. Thank you so much. Really.
Thank you.
Thanks for inviting. Thanks. I'll talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye. Simon, Francesco, Stefan.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.